Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Studio, your favorite place to learn English in a simple, slow, and confident way. My name is Ethan. I'm 29 years old, and I'm speaking to you today from Los Angeles, California.
And I'm Sarah. I'm 26 years old, and I'm so happy to be here with you all today from New York City. We're really excited about today's lesson because it will help you stop making very common English mistakes.
Yes, today's topic is Top 5 English Mistakes in Daily Life. These are mistakes that millions of English learners make every single day.
And don't worry if you make these mistakes. It does not mean your English is bad. It just means you are learning.
Before we begin, we want to say a big thank you to everyone who supports the English Studio.
Your likes, your shares, your comments, and your subscriptions help us continue teaching English for free to students around the world.
If you are watching right now and you are serious about improving your English, subscribe to the English Studio. Like this video. Share it with one friend who is learning English.
Small support from you equals big motivation for us.
Today you will learn 1. 2 versus 4. 2. Say versus tell. 3. Do versus make. 4. Much versus many. 5. In versus on versus at.
And we will teach you using simple English, real-life examples, slow conversation, easy practice, city life situations from America.
So even if you are a complete beginner, you will understand everything. Mistake 1. 2 versus 4.
Ethan, let me be honest. For many years, I was very confused about 2 and 4.
You are not alone, Sarah. This is one of the biggest mistakes in English.
Let's make it super simple for our listeners.
We use 2 for direction or receiver. We use 4 for purpose, reason, or benefit.
Let's repeat slowly for our listeners. TO equals where something goes. FOR equals why something is done.
Easy examples. I give a gift to my friend. The gift goes to someone.
I buy a gift for my friend. The reason is my friend.
Good. Now both sound correct, but the meaning is different. Sarah, I'm at my office in Los Angeles. I say, can you send this report to me?
That means the report comes to you.
Good. Now what if I say, can you send this report for me?
Oh, that means I will send it for you, on your behalf.
Perfect. Same sentence, 2 small words, 2 completely different meanings.
More daily life examples. I live in Chicago now. Yesterday I said, I sent a message to my manager. Correct. The message goes to the manager.
And if you say, I wrote a message for my manager, that means you helped write it for him. Listen and repeat after us. 1. I gave the keys - my coworker.
Correct answer. I gave the keys to my coworker. Next, 2. I opened the door - my coworker.
Correct answer. I opened the door for my coworker. I will say you a common mistake students make. I explained the problem for my boss. This is wrong sentence. The correct way is, I explained the problem to my boss.
Some verbs always use to. Talk to, speak to, listen to, explain to.
You can even use 2 and 4 together in one sentence. I gave the book to John for his birthday.
Direction plus purpose. Beautiful English.
2 is used for direction and receiver. 4 is used for reason and benefit.
If you remember only one thing today, remember this.
Mistake 2. Say versus tell.
Okay, Ethan. Now we are in a coffee shop in New York City, and you are going to tell me a secret. Or are you going to say a secret?
Ah, perfect example. Let's fix this mistake today. Say is used for focus on the words. Tell is used for focus on the person.
Say, words. Tell, person.
She said she was tired. Now, the focus is on the message.
She told me she was tired. Now, focus is on the person. As she told me is the main statement here. Very common wrong sentence. The wrong one is, she said me the truth. The correct one is, she told me the truth.
Yes, you cannot say, said me. Next, coffee shop role play.
Ethan, look at that man over there. He just said, I love studying English.
Wow. Now I will tell you what he said.
You told me the message. Great.
When we use exact words, we usually use say. He said, I am coming late. She said, I love coffee.
When we report the information, we often use tell. He told me he was late. She told me she loves coffee.
Choose the correct word. 1. My boss blank, I did a good job.
Answer. Said. 2. My boss blank me, I did a good job.
Answer. Told.
You can say, I said hello. I told hello is wrong.
You can say, I told him a secret. I said him a secret is wrong.
Say equals message. Tell equals person.
You're doing amazing so far. 2 big mistakes already fixed.
If you are still listening right now, that means you are a serious English learner.
And serious learners always improve.
Mistake 3. Do versus make. Ethan, I need to be honest again. For a long time, I said sentences like, I make my homework. I do a cake.
Oh no. Yes, this mistake is very common.
So today, let's fix this problem forever for our listeners.
We use do for activities, work, and routine tasks. We use make for creating or producing something.
Do equals work, tasks, activities. Makey equals create, build, produce.
I do my homework. Homework is a task.
I make breakfast. Breakfast is something I create.
I do the cleaning. Cleaning is an activity.
I make a cup of coffee. Coffee is something I produce.
Very common wrong sentences. I make my homework is the wrong one. I do my homework is the correct one. I do breakfast is the wrong one. I make breakfast is the correct one.
Okay, Ethan, imagine this. You are living in Austin, Texas. You wake up at 7 a.m.
First, I do my exercises.
Then you go to the kitchen.
And I make breakfast.
After eating?
I do my office work.
At night?
I make dinner and I do the dishes. Perfect English! Before we move on, let's lock these into your memory forever. Some English phrases always use make. Make a mistake. Make money. Make a plan. Make a decision. Make friends. Make noise. These are fixed expressions. You must memorize them.
And these expressions always use do. Do homework. Do the cleaning. Do the laundry. Do business. Do your best. Changing these will sound wrong to native speakers.
The biggest mistake. You should not say, I did a mistake. You should say, I made a mistake.
In English, we always say, make a mistake. Say it once with us. Make a mistake.
Let's do a quick practice with choosing do or make.
Choose the correct word. 1. I will, my job now.
The answer is do. 2. I will, a phone call.
The answer is make. 3. I, my homework every evening.
The answer is do. 4. I a cake for my sister.
The answer is make.
So everyone should understand, do is used for tasks, work, routine. Make is used for create, produce.
Great job! Your English already sounds better. We're shopping in Chicago, and I say, "How many water do you want?" "I don't have much friends." Both are wrong sentences.
That's the much versus many mistake, and it's easy to fix. Easy rule. Many, countable. Much, uncountable.
Many equals you can count. Much equals you cannot count.
Examples for countable. Many. Apples, chairs, people, books, friends. Examples for uncountable. Much. Water, milk, rice, money, time, sugar, information.
Daily examples.
I have many friends.
I don't have much time.
How many apples?
How much water?
I'll say a wrong sentence followed by a right sentence. Listen carefully. How many money? The correct one is, how much money? Much friends. The correct one is, many friends.
Let's do a supermarket role play. How dash rice should I buy?
How much rice?
How dash bottles of water?
How many bottles?
If you're confused, just say, a lot of water, a lot of friends, a lot of time, a lot of ideas.
A lot of works for both countable and uncountable words.
Quick practice. I don't have dash time. Much time. 2. There are dash students. Many students. 3. I drink dash coffee. Much coffee. 4. I have dash English books. Many books.
Many equals countable.
Much equals uncountable. Now for the final and biggest mistake, in versus on versus at.
In equals big area or long time. On equals surface or day. At equals exact point or exact time.
Think like this. In equals big, on equals medium, at equals small.
I live in Seattle. The keys are on the table. I am at the bus stop. On the bus. In the car.
Examples. On time. Listen them carefully. In the morning. In January. In 2025. On Monday. On my birthday. At 7 a.m. At night. At lunchtime.
In the morning. On Monday morning. At 8 a.m. Perfect English.
1. I wake up, dash, 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. 2. I work, dash, Monday. On Monday. 3. I was born, dash, 1998. In 1998. 4. The phone is, dash, the table. On the table. 5. I am waiting, dash, the station. At the station.
Good one, Sarah. 2 equals direction. 4 equals purpose. Say equals words. Tell equals person. Do equals task. Make equals create. Many equals countable. Much equals uncountable. In equals big. On equals medium. At equals exact.
Now your challenge. Say one correct sentence using do or make, much or many, in, on, or at. Speak it out loud right now.
If you are still listening, you are serious about English, and serious learners always succeed.
Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers.
Thank you for learning with the English Studio.
If this lesson helped you, like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe for daily English confidence lessons.
This is Ethan,
And Sarah.
signing off from the English Studio.
We'll see you in the next lesson.